Hey guys, thanks for watching us. Today I am filling up a kiddie pool with dirt. We're going to plant everything that grows under the ground into this kiddie pool. All of our potatoes, sweet potatoes, red potatoes. We're also going to do some garlic and onions, and we're all going to do it all in the pool, just simply because it's easier to get up than putting it in the ground. And I'll just show you what I'm doing. So what I have planned for this pool, I'm going to put carrots and green onions around the outside and plant potatoes in the middle. So I've got my sweet potatoes planted in the pool. They're my little sweet potatoes. And my dad ran over this while he was mowing the yard. So all the carrots and onions I planted around the ring, I don't know if they're gonna come up or not because he ran over both sides of it. But I'm gonna fill it back in with dirt on the edges. But my sweet potatoes are doing good anyway, and I hope to get a few. We'll see. I'm gonna have to come out here and fill in some more dirt, but we got sweet potatoes. So we're over at my grandmother's house and we're robbing her seeds. So this sack is a sack of squash seed. We're gonna have plenty of squash. And the other sack is green beans. We'll have plenty of both. What else you got going on over there, Grandma?
Do you want something?
What is it?
Cantaloupe?
There's cantaloupe in this one bag. On the bottom of this one.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
I think that's watermelons. I don't know. But they're awful little, ain't they?
And look what I found.
I thought there ought to be some more of them in there.
You never know what you're going to find when you go through your grandmother's deep freeze.
Absolutely.
Hi guys, I just thought I would do a updated video on our garden. We have got several things planted in the ground. Onions, tomatoes, radishes, green beans, corn, cucumbers. And I think that may be it. But everything, oh, peppers. We have jalapeno peppers and bell peppers. But I was just going to show you kind of like what it looks like at this point. Here are the tomato plants that, if you watch my video, came out of the Lowe's dumpster because I will dumpster dive for plants. They were bigger than the tomatoes that we actually started from seed. I'm assuming they were started a lot earlier, but as you can see, they're doing very well. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but We already have some green tomatoes. Looks like there's some blooms up here. So there'll be some tomatoes there soon also. And just to show you the difference, these are the tomato plants that we started from seed. They're still super little. They're just babies. But we've got them out in the ground. They seem to be doing great too. They just need a little more time so they can catch up with the others. And this is some corn that's coming up. It's just a baby. A lot of it hasn't come up yet, but it will. There's some more. So these are the jalapenos. We planted those out as plants here in this row.
I'm fixing to put me on a pound of cornbread.
And how much is a pound?
Well, it all depends on how many you're going to feed.
And okay, well, how much is a pound?
That right there.
It's not just a skillet full, it's called a pound?
Yeah.
And spell that for me. How do you spell pound?
P-O-N-E.
And that's a thing. That's a measurement. A pound is a measurement, right?
Well, I guess so. It's what I've always heard it called.
So if it's a big skillet, it's a big pound?
Yeah, I guess so.
And this is a little pound?
Yeah, that's a little pound because that's feeding one.
Oh, okay.
And if you want more, you've got to fix a bigger skillet.
Okay. All right.